Hola amigos, today we're going to learn about Spanish greetings. Alright, in Spanish, saludos y despedidas means hellos and goodbyes. So the first saludos that we're going to look at is hola. And hola means hello. Buenos dias means good morning. Buenos tardes means good afternoon. And buenas noches means good night. All right, and if we want to say goodbye, we can say adios. We can say hasta luego, which means see you later. We can say hasta pronto, which means see you soon. And hasta mañana, which means see you tomorrow. All right, so now that we know how to say hello and goodbye, let's look at some preguntas y respuestas, questions and responses that you could say to a person after you've greeted them. So for example, we could say, ¿Cómo estás? Which means, how are you? And some respuestas, some responses that we could say to ¿Cómo estás? Are, estoy bien, I'm good. Estoy mal, I'm bad. Estoy regular, you could probably guess what that one means. I'm regular, I'm normal. Más o menos means like, more or less. I'm doing so-so. So those are some ways you could respond to ¿Cómo estás? Or ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal is just another way to ask how are you? If you say ¿Qué pasa? That means what's up. ¿Qué hay de nuevo? Means what's new. And perhaps nothing's really new, nothing's up with you. You could say nada, which means nothing. All right, another question you might want to ask someone if you first meet them is ¿Cómo te llamas? That means, what's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? And remember, with this double L, we're going to pronounce that like a Y. We're not going to say ¿Cómo te llamas? We're going to say ¿Cómo te llamas? And then to answer, we're going to say Me llamo Ms. Leonard, or Me llamo Katie. So me llamo and then your name. All right, and then something else you might want to ask a new friend is ¿De dónde eres? Which means where are you from? And to answer, you're going to say soy de Washington, D.C. or soy de New York, or wherever you are from. I'm from. All right. So now we have some small talk, some chit-chat phrases that we can start to use in Spanish. All right, before we finish up, let's talk about some expresiones de cortesía, courtesy expressions. So mucho gusto, that means nice to meet you. Igualmente means same. Gracias is thank you. De nada is you're welcome. Technically means it's nothing, if you remember nada from the previous screen. But we use it as we use you're welcome in English. Por favor is please. And lo siento is I'm sorry. All right, so now that we have learned saludos y despedidas, preguntas y respuestas, y expresiones de cortesía, you have 2 assignments to complete, the worksheet and the recordings. All right, good luck.